Today we're working on the deck of this John Deere 116 from, I believe, 1982, and it's seen better years, but the gentleman that owns it, he likes it and it's solid, and he wants to replace the blades and the belts. So we'll show you how the belt is put on the deck. All right, this is the mower deck on this particular John Deere 116 from 1982. I'll go down here and I'll show you the serial number and model number. There you go, H117L, and that's the deck we're working with today. The belt that we're working with today is the John Deere M84136. Alright, before we can get the belts put on this thing, what we'll need to do is to move this spring and pull that out of the way like such. Because what we're going to do is take this belt and it's going to run like so. And then over here, it's actually going to get tucked underneath and over to this wheel. There we go. Then we'll take the spring again. And that's the wheel that puts all the tension on here. So make sure that the belt is seated properly in all the pulleys. And hook this up. Need two hands for this. Alright, so there you have it. There is the belt layout for the deck on the John Deere 116. Now, make sure that the belt is down here on this lower pulley, because this upper pulley is going to be used for the engine. Alright, thanks for watching.